In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to install and set up your Epson SureColor P600 series printer on your Windows, Mac OS, or Linux device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for Epson SureColor P600 support. Go ahead and search for that. Best result, you come back with an Epson support page. This is Epson SureColor P600. Go ahead and open that up. And now on this page, you want to scroll down and select under the operating system dropdown, select your appropriate operating system, whether it's Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, and then select the Go button. And now scrolling down again, you want to select the driver and utility combo package, select the download option for that. And then once it's downloaded, go ahead and open up that file. It should be a signed verified publisher from Epson. Select yes to continue. This file contains everything you need to use your Epson SureColor P600. Click OK to continue. Select OK. Let this file extract, and then you'll have additional options through the wizard if you want to configure your printer to print wirelessly or wired, as well as additional features or updates you may want to enable or disable. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.